Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Sohini's kitchen. Today I am here with a wonderful, quick, and easy recipe the Masala Bowl Pizza. So let's take a look at the recipe. The spice mix for preparing the pizza base is ready. Now we will prepare the chunky pizza sauce. The delicious chunky red pizza sauce is ready. Now we will start preparing the masala pizza. First, we will prepare the base. The dough is now ready for the next step. Microwave the dough for 2.5 minutes. Depending on your microwave, the cooking time may vary. The masala pizza base is now ready. When fully done, the base should bounce back when pressed downwards. Now apply some pizza sauce on the base and then let's prepare the masala pizza. Top it with any veggies of your choice. For the veggies, I have used multicolored bell peppers, some olives and some sweet corns. Microwave on high for 1 minute and then the bowl pizza will be ready to be served. So make this masala pizza in less than 5 minutes. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. And please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the masala pizza with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.